Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, February 21st, 2023. Well, we have one low pressure system leaving, and another one on the way, and another one on the way, and more on the way. It is a very active weather pattern, and that means we're going to be dealing with rain, snow, and wide ranges of temperatures ranging from the 30s to the 70s all over the place. Welcome to late February and March. The most chaotic time of year for forecasting around this region. Now, if you're looking for snowfall, your best bet again is going to be heading towards New England, the Green and White Mountains. But there will be some areas where we're going to be dealing with some slick road conditions. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe. It actually helps the channel quite a bit. And if you're interested in more detailed information, a little bit more of a scientific twist to it, or to answer your questions or anything of that nature, definitely check out the premium consulting membership. That's up there on the top there, that little link up there. Now, let's take a look at our observations. Temperatures throughout the region range from the lower to mid-30s over the northern interior, where we are getting some reports of snow for northern Connecticut. Haven't seen much in the way of observations yet. I did ask on Twitter, haven't seen anything yet being reported, but of course we'll update that on Twitter as we move on through the day if there's anything that pops up. We also had some snow reports earlier around Poughkeepsie and Messina, but again, that has all gone away now, and really again haven't really seen much in the way of reports of accumulation just yet. Along the coast, temperatures range from the upper 30s to lower 40s with periods of showers, and we're having some low clouds and a little bit of fog with winds that are backing from the northeast towards the southwest as we move on through the day as one low pressure system leaves and another one approaches. And that shows up very nicely here on the WeatherTap radar and surface map. Let me just create that. There we go. And you can see that one low pressure system with rainfall earlier this morning is now leaving. Here comes another wave with this trough, and then we have this cold front, and we have another one behind it. In fact, let's take a look at the infrared satellite picture. It even shows it even better. You can see via the colder cloud tops a stronger lifting with each short wave. And you can see there's a nice separation between these. Now, we have two jet streams. One is the subtropical jet stream down here, okay? That one's sending shortwave after shortwave through. You can see one here, one there, one here, another one here, another one here, and they're all marching across the southern tier. Meanwhile, for us, we see one shortwave here that's leaving, this one's approaching, this one's coming in, we got another one back here. That's with the polar jet stream. Notice what they're not doing. They're not interacting. They're not playing together. One's shoving one after the other, kind of like a clown car. One's knocking the other one out of the way, throwing it out into the street, trying to take control. And then that gets kicked out too. So what we have here is what we call a progressive pattern. And when you have a progressive pattern, it's hard to lock in air masses, cold or warm. And it's very active with a lot of bursts of rainfall and sometimes snowfall, but it doesn't last. And again, that's the term progressive, passing, very moving, very fast moving. So that is what we're going to be dealing with our weather pattern over the next couple of days. Now, for today, one low pressure system leaves, another one approaches, so that's going to keep clouds in the region with the threat for showers, temperatures rising into the lower to mid 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the immediate coast, upper 40s to lower 50s in the Delaware River Valley. As we get through tonight, another low pressure system moves through with some isolated rain, snow showers followed by scattered cloud cover towards morning with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s for lows and lower to mid 30s along the coast. So mid to upper 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast for lows. Tomorrow afternoon, another warm front approaches. Look for cloudy skies in the morning, giving way to periods of showers along the coast, but a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain over the interior. Now, we're not looking for much in the way of accumulation because this is going to quickly change over to rain. However, if you're in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, the Catskills, the Hudson River Valley, and of course, central and northern Connecticut, use caution during the evening hours and for your evening rush hour as you're heading home because there's going to be some slick roadways. Yes, the precipitation is going to change over to rain, and most of the frozen accumulations, especially snow, is going to be on cold surfaces, but there are going to be some untreated roadways, so just be careful for that. temperatures on Thursday, or should I say on Wednesday, will rise into the upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, mid 40s in the Delaware River Valley. But those high temperatures are going to be more towards the evening hours because of the changeover of precipitation, right? Well, temperatures are going to continue to rise on Thursday morning, and then as our warm front continues to lift northward and our low pressure system passes through, we'll continue to deal with periods of showers throughout the region. Some of those showers will be capable of some heavier downpours. Temperatures will spike into the lower to mid 40s around the Long Island and Connecticut. Mid 40s to lower 50s around the New York City metro. Mid to upper 50s around northeastern Pennsylvania. Upper 50s to mid 60s around Philadelphia to central New Jersey. Upper 60s to mid 70s in southern New Jersey. So if you're driving across the region, you're going to be dealing with summer conditions and winter conditions all on the same day. So it's going to be a very, very volatile weather pattern setting up. And while this is happening, we're also going to be dealing with showers capable of some thunderstorms or thunderstorm-like characteristics. So for example, let's backtrack to today, tomorrow, and for Thursday. As these frontal boundaries are moving through, and we're going to be dealing with pesky showers as well, some of these showers will be capable of some brief heavier downpours, and because of the instability in the atmosphere, they can produce small hail. And because of the cold air aloft, some of that could produce sleet. Two different processes. So likely everyone's going to get confused with sleet and hail as these little individual short showers move through. And that's going to be the case for today, tomorrow, and Thursday. So active weather pattern, right? Then that all blows through. On Friday, we have high pressure building in. That's going to lead to breezy conditions on Friday, chillier on Friday, but dry, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast, mid 40s possible down towards portions of southern New Jersey. But the winds are going to make it feel more like the 20s and 30s. Nice little wind chill there. By the time we get to Saturday, we have high pressure beginning to exit and another low pressure system approaching with increasing clouds and the threat for a few flurries showing up in the evening hours. Look for low temperatures to be very chilly, ranging from the lower to mid teens over the northern interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. High temperatures will rebound into the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s around the New York City metro, lower to mid 30s in the Philadelphia metro. Those temperatures will continue to rise as another area of low pressure passes through the region. Again, this is from the subtropical jet stream, and this will produce a threat for scattered rain and snow showers Saturday night through Sunday. No accumulations really expected out of this, but again, we'll keep an eye on the low pressure system development. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast, mid 40s down towards southern New Jersey. On Monday, high pressures in control, tranquil conditions, quiet. Low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. And then on Tuesday, another area of low pressure will be passing through the region. This one focused to the north and west of us, and so that's going to mean periods of rain throughout the region, relatively warm compared to the day before, with low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 40s to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. So as you can see, a bit of a roller coaster with our temperatures, plenty of precipitation moving through, and a lot of chaos. Welcome to late February, early March. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.